Larissa here, and today we're going to be talking about using a VA loan to build your very own home. Everyone knows that VA loans are the best options for veterans, active military, and surviving spouses. VA loans provide significant benefits that are not found in other mortgage types. But the question remains, can you use a VA loan to actually build a home from scratch? Keep watching as we do a deep dive into the VA loan process so that we can use it to build a home from the ground up instead of just buying a pre-existing home. As a reminder, here's the reasons why you would want to use a VA loan if you qualify. Number one, no down payment. This is without a doubt the best part of using a VA loan. Instead of spending a huge amount of money up front writing that down payment check, you can use that money for other moving expenses and other expenses such as furniture. Number two, no private mortgage insurance requirement. Now, on a conventional loan, if you don't put down at least 20% towards the loan, mortgage companies will require you to buy what's called private mortgage insurance. That could add hundreds of dollars to your monthly payment. And the worst part is it doesn't even protect you. It just protects the bank. Well, the VA loan does not come with this requirement. Number three, interest rates are usually lower by at least 0.5 to 1%. VA loans offer the lowest rates on the market and can save you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Number four, credit requirements aren't as strict. Because the Department of Veterans Affairs oversees the loan program, most mortgage lenders use a credit model that assesses your mortgage risk with a lower credit score, so it's easier to qualify. Number five, limitations on closing costs. All mortgages come with fees and closing costs, but the VA provides safeguards on what veterans can be charged when it comes to these expenses. Number six, it's a lifetime benefit. Veterans can use their VA loan benefits house after house after house. There is no limitation in the number of homes that they can buy. So you have safeguards if you decide you want to buy a home, but it's not necessarily your forever home. Number seven, no prepayment penalties. This goes back to the last thing about having lifetime benefits. You can pay off your VA loan and get another one right away. Some banks don't like it when you pay off your loans early because they lose out on thousands and thousands of dollars of mortgage interest that they were going to make off of you. But with a VA mortgage, there is no worries. You can pay it off as soon as you want, as fast as you can, and save yourself money with no penalties. Number eight, foreclosure safeguards. When you get into a financial bind, the VA has your back and will help you stay in your home. Number nine, the VA appraisal. As an additional safety net for veterans, the VA requires an appraisal before closing. This helps you twofold. One, by making sure that your home is appropriately appraised to the surrounding market forces, and two, to make sure that the home meets their very strict standards. Number 10, funding fee exceptions. Now, the VA funding fee is usually required for all VA loans. This funding fee actually goes back to help fund the program to keep it going. However, there are certain veterans who may be accepted from this funding fee or part of the funding fee. These include disabled veterans and surviving spouses. This all sounds awesome, right? However, those who want a VA loan find themselves coming up against a new barrier when they want to build a house from scratch. It's called the VA construction loan. The what? The VA construction loan is similar to the mortgage. However, instead of paying for the home all up front, it actually puts the money in escrow and releases the money bit by bit during the construction process. And unfortunately, unlike VA loans, there's very few banks that will take on the risk of a VA construction loan. In addition, once you do find a bank that is willing to give you a VA construction loan, there is a lot of red tape involved in this process. Number one, only a VA licensed and approved contractor can build the home. This includes if you are a contractor yourself or a licensed craftsman, you can't do any of the build yourself to save money because, again, only a person that is properly licensed and contracted through the VA approval process can touch any part of the building of the home. Number 2, you have to already own the land, or you're going to have to purchase the land and finance it separately from your VA construction loan. Number 3, your builder and you have to provide a very complete set of construction plans, including a list of all the materials that are going to be used, and have them appraised by a VA appraiser. Number 4, the finished constructed home will have to pass a VA inspection. Then when you've got the home constructed, number 5 is you're now going to have to pay off that VA construction loan. You can now try to find yourself a mortgage company that would be willing to finance the home to help you cover the construction loan, and all of that kind of stuff gets complicated as well. Another caveat is if your home appraises for less than what it actually costs for you to build it, you're on the hook for the difference. So before you despair completely, I want you to know that my husband and I are building a semi-custom home with a VA mortgage and no construction loan. How, you may ask? Well, our builder already owns the land. That's how semi-custom homes work. So they are willing to go ahead and build the house just with a contract, knowing that they will get paid with the VA mortgage at the end. Now, it's true, our home is not a fully custom build. It's a semi-custom build. We did have to choose from floor plans that were offered from our builder, and we only have certain options that we can use. But still, it's a brand new home built for us, semi-custom to us, that is going to be our home, and we're doing it all with zero money down. Repeat, zero money down. You can do it too. Bye bye bye.